Try and get some bait, live bait, while that tide is keep dropping out. So I'm just gotta float this this whiting, see how we go. See how we go. Yeah. You're right, Bella. Hey?
Broke that leg, eh?
Still trying to fish, eh? Broken leg, eh? Hey. No, you don't. Same Bella. Yeah. See, it's all hard like this now, Bella. Go down to that point down there. All hard like that down. Panic station. Let's see if we can get one, eh? I got the Bella down here. Punch man. Bella punch. There he is there. Good luck, my Bella. I got a feeling. Something's gonna buff this, I know. Has to. Bagel. I'll try the fizzer. I'll try it. See how we go. Howdy. Afternoon. Just come quickly down to the boat ramp here. See if I can get some live bait. See if we can get some liveys. And I know we've had a bit of rain here, but you only can hope for the best. And see how we go. Let's come. Oh, there. Something in here. Something big in here. I wanted a big fish, but not a catfish. I'll let him go over here. Be careful with these. They got spikes in them, and they make a mess of your net. Got a livey on there. Prawn. Couldn't get any bait fish, but I got a live prawn. Oh, yes. Yes. First cast. First cast. Oh yeah. First cast. First cast. Yeah. First cast. Yes. How good is that? First cast, hey. Yeah. What a beauty. I just put the livey on too. See the live prawn. Now I got this job. How good is that? On the surface lure. First one for the year. Barra season has started, and I've got one. First ever cast, I kid you not. Oh my god, I'm having fish tonight. Oh, how good. I'm using this repeller surface lure. So what it is, it zigzags like this as you twitch it, and I'm just on the pause. It come up and just boofed. I thought I lost it, but friggin' it just went slack, and I was thinking, oh no, I just wind it in, then it's the next minute start running and jumping again. So good win for me this afternoon. So oh, I'm so stoked. I come here yesterday with another buller from work, and we were here for flicking around, and yeah, no action. But I said today, I thought I'll come again today, just have come for a muck around, and so that was good. Hopefully I can get another one. So that was good. First one on the repeller. I'll give you a look at this repeller. I don't know what you call it, stick dog or something. I don't know. But yeah, how good is that? I'm gonna get a buff, I reckon, over this foam stuff here. I'm going out to the deep. Bring it into that foam channel line. Let's see if I can. Somebody's had a go at it there before. So, man, look at the conditions that I caught it in. A bit windy, but good low tide, and yeah, I'm having fish tonight. It was a good bit of afternoon. I was only there for like half an hour. Quick little flick, and like I said, first cast, and couldn't ask for anything better. I come down yesterday, and yeah, come down yesterday after work, me and one of the other bowlers, and yeah, we come for a flick and said, nah, I want to come again. But I thought there'll be a lot of fresh water around, but after all this big rain, but bloody proved me wrong, and yeah, come away with 71 or 70 centimeter barra. So yeah,